Here we are going to see the MIUI 11 ROM for the Mi Max 2, and this is based on the Mi Mix 2S. It is a closed beta ROM which was in GSI form, and some developers have converted this ROM into a normal zip file. And as you can see into the settings, we can see that the device model is Mix 2S. And if you go into the all spec, you can see it is based on MIUI 11 9.9.9 and beta, and this is also running on the Android Pie, so you get some extra features like system wide dark mode, and this is running on the kernel version 3.18.14.140, and it is also running on hard rock kernel, so performance and optimization must be pretty good. And rest of the ROM, this ROM is quite good, but it has some bugs as usual. And if you go into the display settings, you can see there is a option called dark mode. You can enable it anytime. If you switch off this dark mode, as you can see, it's there, and if you switch on this dark mode, it changes to dark mode on system wide. As you can see, if you go to the dialer, you get the dark mode. If you go to the message app, you get dark mode, and every other setting in the phone changes to dark mode. And if you go to the security app, you can find this new option called ultra battery saver mode. If you go into this and turn this on, it basically restricts everything and switches to dark mode. As this is a LCD display, there is no big change or thing, but if you have a Xiaomi device with AMOLED display, it's gonna look cool. And we can come back to the normal mode with this key. If you come back, it's there. And this ROM comes with the Magisk Manager, so you don't need to worry about root. And further go into settings, you can see some new options like MIUI and other settings. Have some focusing issues. Okay. If you go into this MIUI, you can see wake with voice is there, and you can switch on and train like the Google Voice Assistant or Google Now, and do other stuffs like other voice assistants. And you also get some special features like Game Turbo is present here. If you go into the Game Turbo booster, and this is basically available on MIUI 10 itself, and Tab Plus, I don't know what is this, I'm gonna check it out later. And quick replies are there, Kid Space, Second Space and MIUI Lab are already present. And we also get like the screen time, which is basically a replica of the Google's thing. And other things include some additional settings. If you go in here, this ROM also has the full screen gesture. You can also opt for the soft keys, but this gesture is good to use, and also you can use the physical navigation keys, but it does not light up. And 1.net mode and other things are present there. And if you go on to the battery, you can see this and there is some visual changes on this, and other than that there is nothing new. But as this is a beta, the features will be later added. There is no such thing. And that's it, guys. That's it for the video. And in this ROM there is no bugs, except there is some screen brightness related issues, like if you increase the screen brightness completely, this slider only works up to half, and after that if you still increase the brightness doesn't go up, it stays there. And other bugs include like camera doesn't open, it closes automatically, it force closes. You can use Gcam for that, it works flawlessly, and the photos quality is also good, and it does not have any bloatwares. It's bare bone on, only has some MIUI apps. And what I like about this ROM is there is a keyboard app on this ROM. I somehow like this keyboard app. It's so good to type in, and the feedback you get is good. And this also has some shortcuts, and this keyboard is literally good. I don't know why I like this keyboard, but it's good. And other than that, this ROM also has some screen flickering issues while locking and unlocking the phone. As you can see, it goes somewhat to the maximum, and it flickers sometime. And there is a cool animation on the MIUI, as you can see. And if you unlock, there is this thing popping out animation. And other than that, there is nothing new. Flashlight works, as you can see. And network, I don't know about network as I have not put the SIM in here, but Wi-Fi works, Bluetooth works, GPS works, and other things also work. Screen recorder also works, other things also work. But as this is a GSI thing, it has been converted to a normal ROM. So there is some vendor related stuff that needs to be fixed. So we will soon get the MIUI 11 beta, so wait for that, guys. And that's it for this. And you cannot use this ROM as a daily driver for now, just for some screen flickering issues, and there is some battery drain issues also. Okay guys, that's it for this video, and subscribe, like and comment on this video. Okay, bye bye guys.